Right then, it's going good. It's Tuesday and I'm gonna do a bit of a whip tour. So let's go. I'll show you what we got. So here we have a Leyland, a Synchro 262. Yep, it's got headlights. We've got wheels, some nice alloys, even nicer alloys. All right, so we've got door handle and we've got a steering wheel and we've got a seat. We believe in like if it ain't broke, don't fix it. So that's fine. Here we go. We've got all the stats that you need. Engine coolant, I think, in them holes. Bit of aircon. We haven't got a radio. We've just got a dice. This stands for Mr. Sexy. Oh, some lovely tarp on the top. Yup. Got all the levers, the pickup hitch here. Levers, low and high gear, obviously. All the pedals you need. And 3 on this side. Feeling lucky. Something here. This is a handbrake, I think. Gears. You need them. And more levers. And then here we go. What do you call this bit? The pickup bit. It's good. There's a little special something with it. The brakes only work when you pump them. So that's the nature of the beast. If you can tame it, you can drive it. So I hope you enjoyed my tractor tour today. Let's move some fruit. I'm driving that. Look at this, we've actually got some extra ventilation here. It's really, really well thought, to be honest. Start the beast. Oh, bloody hell.
Loads of Corvettes, sir.
Yeah,
I might just unroll that. Handbrake.
Wow! Need for speed. Okay, fasten your seatbelts, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to depart. Storing some gas. It's a beautiful Tuesday. Well, the gate modelled by Jack. Here comes Boss Man now. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
What's up now, Chaz?
Hello. How you doing?
Num, 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 num.
I'm busy. What are you?
You nicked me line.
Got it. Oh yeah. Maybe this on. Oh, look at that. You don't need one of them. You got meter.
I know.
Look at
You were
that.
here, weren't you?
Look. Whoa. So what's happened?
Bearings have gone.
In a motor?
In a motor.
Is this a motor in the feed room?
It's on a compressor.
Right.
And really, it's someone else's job.
Of course, as the
What can you do?
Was this in the annex?
You've got services across the country.
Got it. So Tony is...
6:30 is
What's the difference? That looks exactly the same as the one I handed
I've
you.
lost it, haven't
Oh, you don't know. Keep it there. So what you doing here? You've taken it apart.
I? Yeah. Put 2 new bearings on.
2 new bearings, and now this is putting it back together.
Where's it?
Ooh,
Seized up.
okay. Oh yeah. That's not going to do its job, is it?
No.
Oh, arses. Right.
Right, see, I'll put them out of these here.
Oh yeah.
So you get them about the same. Right. Okay, so this one. Shoot one in the top. What you should do.
Do these motors pack up often, or
No, not really.
is this like,
They're pretty good.
yeah, a bit of a one-off?
Yeah, it should get. We've got someone to come and
Service them.
maintain it, service it, but they're not here.
Okay.
So what do you do?
Tony does it,
Well,
as always. High tech, really. Look at all that. You're using that bolt the right way round. Yesterday I caught you trying to put the bolt on the wrong way.
was it me? Just have a think about that.
Yeah, I caught you doing it. It wasn't me. Obviously. Oh. You're a captive nut.
I am. I have to be. You weren't over tight either.
Just enough.
Just nice.
Just nice. Oh, sorry.
It kind of come off easy, so but it depends what.
This is our BBC.
Alright, you need a strong arm or do you need a strong arm?
Yeah. Oh. Oh my goodness.
I know.
Oh my
Watch out.
god. Excuse me.
Okay. Yeah?
Shut that valve for a start. I might need to
Yep.
a spacer in there, I guess. Oh, come on.
Drum.
Bloody hell.
Bloody hell.
Cheese.
Cheese does not do that to you. That's not normal.
Any food does that.
Okay, are you ready?
Hang on. No. Undo your tap, just a fraction.
Yeah. More?
Hang on. Right, that'll do. Shut it off now. I just want to get it in the middle. Instead
You
of,
got it in the middle?
yeah.
Okay. 3, 2, 1. Coming.
Slowly. Now just when you'll feel it tighten up.
That does feel a bit tighter than before. It's pushing it in. Is that alright?
Mm.
Ooh.
Slowly.
Oh yeah.
Right, well.
That is quite tight now. Release?
Yeah.
Okay. Who's holding it?
Right. I've measured that.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to
Oh,
make
so you need to
sure
get the same length.
same position.
I know what I'm doing.
6 centimeters.
Have you ever seen one of these?
No.
There's like a precision ruler.
Oh, caliper.
Oh. I was just going with the name precision ruler. You see this? You know what this is the size of? Tony's brain.
Just hold that, will you?
Right.
messing about.
Alright.
Hold it as you meant it.
Yeah, that's what I mean. I need to put down my position. Christ.
Turn it off.
Was that supposed to happen? Here we go.
It's tapered that. It's called a taper lock.
Okay.
So you've got grub screws. There and there.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So you line them up with that. And the grub screws pull the outer onto the inner, and that grips the shaft and tape, so it locks it on. Taper lock.
Ah.
So that was 14.2 in from the end. So set that on 14.2.
Right. Okay. 14. What was it?
0.2.
Is there a way you can find?
3 will do.
Is there a way you can fine tune this? I bet that's what that's for, isn't it? Oh, 14.2. I went too far. $13.77.
No, that's not good.
Is that good? Oh, wrong way. Okay, hang on. Nearly there. Totally getting further away. 14.6. Oh. Tony, I'm getting real close. I know it's nerve-wracking, like.
What are your nerves?
Yeah. 14.1.
That'll do. Hold it up to this.
Yeah. That's not. Grub screws. Do they call it because it looks like maggots?
A bit too far out. So what you do when you take these out, it's locked it all up. So if you screw it into this one, it pushes the pulley away.
Right.
It separates, and once they've moved the tooth out, that's it. They'll come undone.
Do you need me to double check that?
Yeah.
Just to clarify.
Come on, what am I doing here?
It wasn't me. Yeah, it was not even close, Tony.
It's Jack, see, laughing.
Tony, that's out. There, that's it. God, you need a gas mask to come in here.
Jack's bloody got it again.
Aldi, pick it in 3 and 5.
So, gotta get in the groove, man. There you go. In.
Just got it, hasn't it?
Yeah.
It's in all the way around.
Wicked. So that spins very fast.
Yeah, that's your
Nice.
that fills it up. Hold it in position.
I know it's Yeah. Wow. Is that what's leaked out of it?
No, it's leaking oil. I can't really spot where it's coming from.
Wow.
What's for tea, Chaz?
I don't know. Probably like chicken nuggets and chips. What are you having? Barbecue weather though.
Don't know. No idea. Craig's on that one.
That looks blue and yellow.
It does, doesn't it?
Oh yeah, the blue and yellow's already on.
Mm-hmm.
Isn't it? Yeah.
Graham, that one's Graham Brown. So there's your brown, isn't it? See this one here?
Yeah.
Graham Brown. Right, let's just take this nut off here.
What, brown and red?
This one, the middle one, grey,
Oh yes.
brown.
Oh yeah, yeah. Red looks on top. So grey
There's
on.
no bloody red. It's brown.
Oh my god, you know what I mean?
It's a good job you're not wearing it up, isn't it?
Yeah, I'm
Go
looking at
bang.
this. I'm looking at the sleeves.
Oh, don't. A spanner there. No, other one.
Ow. That's not a spanner. That was a tricky one. Mega.
Right.
Yeah, it kind of looks like it's coming.
But like I say, they're coming to service this, so they should spot anything like that. See, you need a spanner in it, we haven't got one, but we can check that. Let's just try that mount. Isolates the whole lot while you're
Yeah,
working.
yeah. Good job, really. Spinning, yeah.
Okay. So on that bloody fan belt, we left it in the shed.
Shite. It's the next day and it is running. I don't know if this is at the right pressure, but the last turny, but job well done.